First step to gain access to the amplifier, passenger side speaker. There's 4 Phillips head screws. Remove those and pull the speaker out. With the screws removed, the speaker will come out. Remove the 2 speaker connectors there and set the speaker aside. Inside the speaker hole is the amplifier. It's held on with 2 Phillips screws. I'll try to show you here. There's going to be one in that hole and one in the opposite corner hole. Remove those screws and the amplifier should pull out or at least closer to the hole to work on it. I'm able to use a stubby battery screwdriver or screw gun. I find that's what's best to fit in this hole and get the amp out. Okay, with those 2 screws removed, the amplifier should pull and you'll get access to all your connections here. Take note of which wire goes to which color. The amplifier you get is the same exact one, so it'll be the same. Yellow is the passenger rear, and then red is the driver front and driver rear. So just note which wire color goes to which red and mark that so you get those right when you put everything back together. So I make these little tags. So I have driver front, and I know my white wires coming out of the amplifier is the front channel. So I'm going to grab the 2 with the white wires and label the chassis harness side as driver front, so then I can hook it up properly with the new amplifier.